We're going to learn how to find the measure of the arc, which is this part right here. Want to know how much this is? In terms of theta, in order to find the measure of the arc, we need to have theta in radians, not in degrees, okay? The formula is set up that way. So remember, when you have 1 radian, this is 1 radian, is because the radius coincides with the measure of the arc. So from here, I can say, okay, how much is the angle theta in radians? So if I want to know how much is this one in radians, let's say you have another one right here, it's bigger than that one, you want to know how many radians are in there. So what we have to do is divide S by R, right? But how many radians? How many in this arc? How many R's fit in it? So in this case, since these two are the same we see right here, S divided by R is equals to 1, so it's 1 radian. This when S and R are equal, then S divided by R is 1 radian. So the formula then is theta is going to be the measure of the arc over the measure of the radius. Don't forget, you have to have the theta in, we're going to get the theta in radians. So from here we can isolate theta. Well, theta is, if we want to know, we want to get S from here. Let's say you have theta and you look for S, you multiply by R in both parts and you get S. Or if you want to isolate R, then multiply by R first and divide by theta and you get R. So you can play with that little formula depending what they're asking you in a specific problem. So let's say, for example, here, in these problems number 21 through 26, what you have to do is find the measure of the arc. Measure of the arc. This is number 21 from the practice. We have a circle. When you show me the work, guys, I want to see circles in every single. Sorry, let me do it again. In every single problem, you have to show me the circle with the angle and the measurements and everything, okay? I say this is 4 inches. This is A, and this is 7/8. 7/8 of pi. Let me do it this way. 7 pi over 8. Okay? This is pi, 7 pi over 8. We have this in radians. We say the angle is always in radians. So theta, we want to find A. But remember, A is, if you want to use a notation, I'll write S here. So this is the angle, this is the radius, R is equal to 4. This is the angle, which is theta, it's in radians. So S, theta is equals to S over R. In this specific case, we're looking for S. So like I said, just isolate it first and then substitute, or you can substitute and then isolate, it's up to you. So let's say theta is 7 pi over 8 is equals to S, that we don't know what it is, and the radius which is 4. So in order to find S, we multiply by the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4 in both parts. So S is going to be, this cancel this, 4 times 7 is 28 pi over 8. And divided by 4 in both parts, we have this is equal to 7 pi over 2. So S is 7 pi over 2 radians. Oh, sorry, no, sorry. It's not radians, it's the measure of the arc. In this case, is going to be inches.